Taking notes in Fergus is quick and easy, whether it's for a job, customer, or site. In this video, we'll focus on adding notes in Fergus Web, but don't worry, you can use notes in Fergus Go too. For more details on using notes on the go, check out our guide. Let's walk through the different ways to add notes on Fergus Web, starting with jobs. First, open the job card. You can add notes for the whole job, or if you've broken the job into phases, you can add notes to individual phases. To add overall job notes, click the Notes button at the top of the job card, just under the job number. Here, type out your note and pin it if it's important and you want it to stand out. Be sure to use the @ symbol to tag team members. They'll get a notification when you do this. When you're done, click Add Note. If the job includes a quote, you can add notes specifically to that too. Click into the quote from the left side of the job card and go to the Notes tab at the top. Notes added here will also appear in the Fergus Go app, perfect for staying on top of quotes while you're out in the field. And it works both ways. Any quote notes added in Fergus Go will automatically sync back to Fergus on the web. So no matter where you are, your notes are always up to date and ready when it's time to finalize your quote. To add customer notes, go to the Customers tab and select the customer you're after. You'll see a notes section below the customer details and above the status board. Write your note and don't forget to pin it if you want it to pop up when creating a new job for this customer. Site notes work the same way. Go to the Sites tab, choose a site, and add your note at the top of the page. Again, pin it if you want it to show during job creation. All your notes, whether on jobs, quotes, customers, or sites, can be viewed from the Fergus Go app. And that's it, you're now ready to take and manage notes like a pro in Fergus.